Hi, and welcome to Marshie's Inspired Studio. I know it's been a while since I've made a video about my SE Brother 2000. It's my embroidery machine, and you know that's my baby. Okay, so what do I want to talk to you about? Well, first of all, I want to talk about this embroidery super deal. Now, I need you to understand I am not affiliated with them at all, but it came across my Facebook and I was like, oh, 20 bucks? What do you mean 20 bucks? Okay, this is what they mean for 20 bucks. Everything that's in there you can download. So I just did the 250. And supposedly you get it for the rest of your life. And so when they put new bundles, you get those too. As far as I can tell, the embroidery is good. Okay? So I want you to understand that there's bunches of designs for 20 bucks, which is awesome. I was a little disappointed that there weren't quilting ones for me because that's how I quilt is using a design and using my Brother SE2000. But the designs are really nice. Much more so than, and of course this is my personal opinion, more so than Aspera app. So I let my Aspera app go. I might end up doing it again, but right now I'm going to explore with this uh, embroidery super deal. Now, the way I found it is it came across my uh, um Facebook. And so I took it and I was like, okay, what do I have to lose? So that's what I did. If you've used uh, this program, please put it in the comments below. Tell me what you like or dislike about it because I really don't know. Be blessed, and I'm going to talk to you next about the project I just did. Okay, bye-bye.